friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm here to share with you a very realistic everyday makeup routine, which is also simple. At most times, we all know we don't have that luxury of time to be putting on full face glam routines because we are usually in a rush for work or school. So I have a routine that I've been doing for some months that is super duper simple and realistic, and that really works if I want to put myself together in a short period of time. So enough of the chat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to use this as a primer. Next I'll use this concealer and apply it under my eyes. Just a small amount. This concealer is from Rolinet. To set my under eyes, I'll use this sacha setting powder. Why not? Why just look scary? I'm blending. Next, I'll go in with this foundation powder from Rose. I apply this all over my face. I'm also going to apply it on top of that concealer. This powder needs to be reapplied throughout the day, so please make sure to keep it with you. Moving on to brow, use my favorite brow comb and this pencil from Malai. As you can see, super short, but I'm going to make it work. For the brow, you need to apply it lightly since it's a simple makeup, nothing too deep. Moving on to eye, I'll take this as I'm going with this shade, and again lightly. I'm barely touching shadow with my brush to get the light coverage. Nothing too intense. Again, remember this is a simple everyday look. Moving on to lip, I'm going to use MAC lip liner to line my lips. Then this nude from Malai. Again with the lip, you need to apply it lightly. The light strokes. Finally, I'm going with the setting spray. So that's it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you learned something out of it. Please leave suggestions, questions and comments down below and I'll try to answer them. Please subscribe for more videos and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I love this simple. Like this simple look. 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 Simple look.